Hello everyone, I am Ms. Megha Karwal, Department of Civil Engineering from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Warmly welcome to all of you in today's lecture. Piers. The intermediate supports provided for a bridge superstructure are known as piers. Piers provide vertical support for span and intermediate points and perform two main functions: to take the transfer the load from the bridge superstructure to the subsoil through the foundation, and to divide the length of the bridge into a suitable number of span. Types of piers: solid piers and open piers. The piers which have solid section in elevation, plan, and view are known as the solid piers. Solid machinery piers and the solid piers are further classified into the following two types: solid machinery piers and solid RCC piers. The solid piers constructed of brick machinery, stone machinery, plain cement, concrete, used when the height is moderated. Solid RCC pier, the solid piers constructed with the reinforced cement concrete used when the height is more. This is the image of solid machinery piers and solid RCC piers. Open piers. The piers which do not have a solid section throughout their length and allow free passage of the water through their structure are known as open piers. Abutment piers. Such piers are made thicker in section than adjacent piers in case of multi-span arch bridges where every third and fourth piers is abutment to receive the thrust from the either side. Cellular pier. These piers consist of the two concrete RCC cells connected by radial ribs at suitable intervals, and the intermediate spaces between the cell is filled with some cheap filler materials, loam, sands, gravel, etc. Abutment. The end support of bridge superstructure are known as abutment. They are built either with the brick machinery, stone machinery, mass concrete, precast concrete blocks, or RCC. The end support of bridge superstructure are known as abutment. In this in-truss girder or semicircular bridges, the top surface of the abutment is made flat. It is provided with the skew blocks. If the bridge arches are segmental or elliptical, weep holes are provided to drain off the water from the retained earth. Functions of abutment: to support the bridge superstructure and to transmit the load from the to the soil, to retain the earth pressure of the embankment of the approaches, to provide a final formation level to the bridge superstructure. This is the image of abutment. Types of abutment: abutments with the using walls and abutments without wing walls. Abutment with wing walls. These abutments are suitable in case when height of the approach embankment is more. The velocity of flow of river water is high and there is a danger of side erosion. Abutment with the straight wing wall. These abutments are so called as these are provided with the straight wing wall. This type of abutment is suitable for a bridge crossing a roadway, that is in the case of the under bridge. Third type is abutment with the written wing walls. These abutments are called as this are provided with the written wing walls. This type of abutments are also called as a box abutment. These abutments are suitable in the case when the height of the embankment is more. Abutment with spelled wing wall. These abutments are so called as when these are provided with a spelled wing wall. These abutments are suitable for a bridge where the artificial waterway is less than the natural waterway, and it is required to provide smooth entry and exit of the water under the bridge. Next type is abutment without wing wall. These abutments are suitable when the river banks at a bridge side are sufficiently firm. The velocity of the flow of water is less and there is no danger of side erosion. First type is straight abutment. The abutment, usually rectangular in a plane, are known as a straight abutment. This type of abutment are suitable when the banks are firm and height of the approach embankment is small. T abutment. The abutment of T shape in the plane are known as a T abutment. This type of abutment is an improvement from the type straight abutment, hollow or arch abutment. The abutment curve in the plane are known as a hollow or arch abutment. These abutments are suitable at a rail and a road crossing on land. Next is wing walls. The walls constructed at both ends of the abutment to return the earth pressure or the banks of the river or of the bridge approaches are known as a wing wall. The wall is constructed adjacent to the abutment and act as a retaining wall are also known as wing walls. The wing walls can either be attached to the abutment or be independent of it. These are the wall is provided at the both ends of the abutment to retain the earth filling of the approach road. Function of wing wall to retain the earth banks of approaches, in which cases they are called as a retaining wall, to retain the lateral earth banks, to retain the earth bank of the river, and to protect the earth banks from the action of water if necessary. Types of wing wall. Depending upon the type of material used, the wing walls are classified into two types. First is masonry wing walls, and second is reinforced concrete wing wall. Masonry wing wall, they are made of brick or stone depending upon the lateral earth pressure to be exerted. The masonry wing walls either and end join a small return constructed parallel to the roadway with horizontal top. The water surface is kept either vertical or skewed. Weave holes are provided through the body of wall to drain water from the retained earth. Next is returning reinforced concrete wing walls. They are made of the reinforced concrete, cement concrete, and are used in case of the high lateral pressure. The top of these wing walls is most either kept as a horizontal or sloping downward. As per their layout in a plan, wing walls are further classified as a straight wing walls, return wing walls, and split wing walls. Straight wing wall. The wing walls constructed parallel to the abutment at both of their ends are known as straight wing walls. Return wing walls. The wing walls constructed at right angles to the abutment at both ends are known as return wing walls. They are used where banks are high and hard or firm. Their top width is 1.5 meter and face is vertical and block or back is battered 1 in 4. Score can be a problem for wing walls and abutment both as the water in the stream erodes the supporting soil. Split wing wall. The wing walls constructed at an acute angle with the abutment at the both their ends are known as a split wing wall. These are used for bridge across the river. They provide a smooth entry and exit of the water. Display is usually 45 degree. Their top width is 0.5 meter and face batter is 1 in 12 and back batter is 1 in 6. Weep holes are provided for drainage purposes. So this is a types of wing walls. Thank you.